Right, so we're all done in the hull. That's the front part. There was a big gap under there. Filled it with choppings, then backfilled it, then like laid up a load, I don't know, about 5 or 6 layers of 450, 225. That noise is my mate on the roof now, sanding the roof off so we can get a couple in there. I'll just take in the back hole and show you that. Oh, these bits are completely rotted out. There must have been some holes in the fiberglass down in this trough. So that wood was all gone. We replaced that with some marine ply. Same thing here. Choppings, filled these gaps up. 5, 6 layers of 450 over the top of that. Various little bits and pieces. That rail was gone over there as well. We replaced that rail and glassed over the top of that. Nice and strong now. Good job.